as well. And we have something else cooking in the kitchen, Nisha.
So Ray, it smells so good over here. I am in the kitchen with Rachel Yurka. She's from EasyPeasyMeals.com. This segment sponsored by doTERRA. This is so cute for Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Well, doTERRA just came out with a new oil. It's Madagascar vanilla.
I'm talking just barely.
November 1st.
Okay.
So they tasked me with making something delicious using it, and I was like, well, what's better than cinnamon rolls with vanilla
No,
cream cheese
everyone's
icing?
walking into the studio and their mouth is watering because these smell so amazing and a hint of vanilla.
Well, we're diffusing it too.
Oh, is that
so
what that is?
It's both.
Okay,
yeah. So
doTERRA.
this oil is so fun because you can diffuse it, you can wear it as perfume, and of course you can eat it, drink it. Like I love, you know, the whole making dirty drinks, like adding vanilla to your drinks.
Oh, does this work?
You can add
in
a
like your
drop
dirty
of-
Diet Coke.
Yeah, you
Like
can add a
drop
drop
that
of
on
it.
in there.
And of course, this is a much higher quality vanilla than you're gonna get in
Well,
other
let's
ways.
talk about that for a second while we put this together. You're
Yeah.
dropping it in there.
Yeah, we're gonna just do a few drops.
Not just any vanilla. This is from Madagascar.
Yes, this is sourced in the Sava region of Madagascar,
Okay.
and doTERRA's done a ton of work there to like help the farming community, the agricultural community, because vanilla is really labor intensive to produce. You have to hand pollinate. The flowers only bloom one day a year, so it's a lot of work. And so they're trying to keep families that produce vanilla producing vanilla.
It's why it can be so expensive
Yes,
when you go
that
to the
is
store
why.
to purchase it for all of your holiday baking. So how many
25.
drops did you put in there?
I put 3, and then you can taste it, and if you want a little stronger vanilla, you can add it. But we've already kind of whipped this up. This is just cream cheese and powdered sugar and a little milk. So we're going to put this on top of our cinnamon rolls. You can get this recipe at doTERRArecipes.com or on my website, Easy Peasy Meals. And we made these mini so that you can really like pretend like you're not eating very much cinnamon roll. But,
Well,
you know.
you do a mini cinnamon roll and then you do an extra amount of frosting because I love it. Get those out of
Exactly.
the oven and then do you like to drizzle it on while it's still warm?
Yes, we just pulled these out, so that frosting is going to melt into the creases and crevices, and it's going to be so good.
And that hint of vanilla flavor.
Can you smell that?
Yes,
It's so
all
nice,
over
huh?
those cinnamon rolls.
Okay, so one thing that I love is I love whipping these up. You can make them the night before Thanksgiving and just put the dough in the fridge and then roll them out the next morning and bake them so that you're not doing that on Thanksgiving morning. But I know at my house, everybody's hungry all day on Thanksgiving and they're waiting for that big meal.
Yes.
So I love having these available for people to munch on. And because I have children, we decided to make them really fun.
All right, I want to make that with you.
Yes.
Okay, show me how you put together the little turkey
Okay,
cinnamon roll.
so we're taking our cinnamon rolls and we're turning them into turkeys. And the way we're doing that is we're using leftover Halloween candy to make a turkey face and some candy corns to make the
By the way,
feathers.
I have everything you have here left over at my house from Halloween.
Right?
So, okay,
so
let's
easy. So we're
feathers
gonna
first.
put like a little extra frosting on this one. And then I already made the face for you, so it'd be easy.
Do you mind if I taste the frosting?
Go
Can I,
for
like,
it,
put my little,
please.
just the right amount of vanilla.
Right? It's so good. So we have the mini Reese's cups, big Reese's cups, Rolos. You can also use Milk Duds, whatever candy you have to make the face. Just little candy eyes. We take the tip of one of these to make the beak.
Oh, is that what that beak is?
Yep, and then just a sprinkle, a red sprinkle for the little gobbler thing. I don't
Well,
know
and
what
your
you call it.
kids, I mean, cooking on Thanksgiving, it gets laborious, right? You're in the
Right.
kitchen for a really long time.
Grab a face.
This is so nice to just have them do a little something. This is the face, just like
Yep.
that.
And then we're just gonna use a little, just chocolate sauce. That's all this is.
Oh, it's not
And
even,
we
I
just-
thought maybe you had a different color frosting. That's just chocolate sauce.
Just chocolate sauce.
And then the googly eyes.
Yep, just add them in.
Okay, so let me put that little guy right there.
Yep.
This little guy right here.
So for the beak, we just break the tip off.
Okay, and then you have to dip him in the chocolate sauce
Yep,
too.
just dipped in.
Rachel, you would think I don't do things like this anymore because I have a 19-year-old and a 16-year-old, but this would
promise
be
they'll love it.
something right up their alley because then
And
we would
then
take a picture of it,
go
we
ahead
would
and put-
post it on social media.
Of course.
And it's so aesthetic. Where do I put this guy?
So it goes right next to
Oh,
the
he goes-
face of
oh,
the
it's like
little
the little
gobbler.
gobbler
So
goes-
you can use a red heart sprinkle or just like a little nonpareil.
Rachel, you know what you're doing.
Yeah,
There we go.
cute,
How's that
right?
little guy look?
So fun, a great way to get your kids involved. Diffuse the vanilla, your whole house will smell inviting. It's such a fun way to make your house inviting for the holidays. Thanksgiving or Christmas.
As delicious as he is, adorable, everybody. doTERRA, you can get that now. It just came out. I love that you talked about it on the show because now you can get that in time for the holidays. This sponsored recipe on our website, abc4.com/GTU. And you can follow Rachel at easypeasymeals.com. That's where you find the recipe for this, also on our website. Thank you for sharing.
Yes,
Happy
enjoy.
Thanksgiving.
You
Up
too.
next, a few holiday gift ideas for friends or family. And meet our blue-eyed kitty friend. We're telling you all about this cute cat up for adoption when we come back on GTU.